After your child has mastered the syllable level of understanding and phonological awareness skills, we can move on to the sound level. And so one of the skills that we work on is being able to identify the beginning sound or the initial sound in a word. And so I'm going to say a word, and then the child has to tell me what sound that word begins with. Not the letter, I want to know the sound. So for example, if I said, I want you to tell me the first sound in the word top, your child should say t, okay? Same thing. If I said, all right, what's the first word in the word chip? They should say ch. All right? It's very important that your child is telling you the sound and not the letter when it comes to the phonological part. Now, if your child has mastery of that, then the phonemic awareness part would be that they're able to transfer that and tell you what letter or letters spell that sound. Okay? Now, behind me, you see this visual up here. We use this a lot of the times in our class to help us break down syllables into parts. Most syllables have 3 sounds at most, sometimes just 2. And a lot of our kids understand that green means go, yellow means to kind of slow, and red means stop. So this is a visual that helps our kids to understand, again, using left to right directionality, that we start over here and we end over here. So if we end over here, that means that's the ending of the word, which means that this is where we begin. So if I have the word cop, okay, I want to know what you hear at the beginning spot. So they would go k, k, cop, okay? Eventually we're going to move into where your child is segmenting all of the sounds, and we're going to use all of those dots. But this is just a really good visual to be able to explain that we're looking for the beginning sound, the first sound that you hear in a word. And you can do this with names. That's a really great way to connect with your child, their friends, their siblings, their pets, or any of their fun toys. And you can be doing this as you're going around the house. And it's just a really fun way to start hearing the beginning sounds of words.